In this video, I'm going to discuss about the abstract class in C#. So let's take a normal class here, class my class. And inside this class, I can create the any method I want. And if I put the abstract keyword before this class, abstract abstract keyword before the class name, then it is known as the abstract class. And if I create the abstract class, now I can create the abstract method or non-abstract method inside this class. So let's take and create the one abstract method, public void abstract. You can make whatever method name. My method here. Sorry, before the void you must have to put the abstract and then void my method. And inside the my method, you can make the body of this method. So it means that you can only define this signature of the method. So, and if the class is abstract, then you can create the abstract method and non-abstract method. If I try to make the concrete method, or you can say the non-abstract method, public void my method one or whatever be the name. And if I create, this is my normal method, and I can create this normal method also, and I can create the abstract method. But if I'm creating the abstract method here, then there must be class as abstract. If I remove this abstract keyword from here, then it shows the error. And if I hover this mouse here, it says that abstract, but the method is abstract, but class is not abstract. So we must have to make the class as abstract class, also the abstract. And one important thing is here, if I make the class as abstract, then I cannot create the object of this class. So to make the object, we must have to derive this base class, and we can create the object of the derived class. And if I create the another class here, public or whatever, class main class, and inside this class I can make the I can inherit the base class by using the colon and then my class. And now it shows the error. And if I hover the mouse here, now you can see we must have to implement the method inside the base class. So if I inherit this my class from the main class, then we must have to define, or we can say the implements this abstract method inside the my class. This is the beauty of the abstract class, and we can define the so many modules inside the base class, and we must have to implement that module into the derived class. So we must have to that now we have to define, or we have to implement, and we can make the body of this my method class. My method. So public, and we have to override this method, public override void, and we have to make the same name as my method. And inside the my method, I can give you any message, or I can implement anything inside here. And this is my method. I'm giving the message as this is my method. And after that, I can just create the another class, or I can make the main method also here, static void main. This is my main method. And inside the main method, I can create the object of the main class, but we cannot create the object of the my class. If I try to make the object of the my class, what will happen? My class C is equals to new my class. And if I hover the mouse again here in the red button, then it shows me that we cannot create an instance of the abstract type or interface. Interface is a new concept. This is related to the abstract class. We'll discuss it later. But now we cannot create the object of the abstract class. So we must have to create the object of the derived class. And our derived class name is, that is main class. So main class C is equals to new main class. So in this way, you can create the object of the main class, and you have this C as a reference variable and C.my method. And if I run this code, what will be the output? This is my code will be the output. And why we need to make the abstract class? There is a concept of method overriding also. If in method overriding, we have the method body also there in the base class, and we can override that method by using the override keyword. And then in base class we used to put there is the virtual keyword and the override keyword that two keyword used to play a role in the method overriding. And here we have to use the abstract keyword in the base class, and this is only the method signature. It means that while we create the software, there is a lots of module in the software, and some of the module we must have to define. If we are making the school management system software, then there are the so many modules inside that software, like the fee management system, attendance management systems, or department, or school, or teacher. So many modules are over there, and we can define that module, or you can say that we have to define the signature of that module. In likewise, we have to define the department. Department is the one signature. Fee management is the one another signature. And if we put in the we can make the signature of the method in the base class, and we can derive it into the derived class, and we must have to implement in the derived class. So this is the beauty of the inheritance. We can modify, and we can we must have to define that method in the derived class. Hope you will understand about it. And now if I run this code by pressing the Ctrl F5 or run button, then what will be the output? You may guess. This is my method will be the output here. Now this output is expected. So in this way we can use the abstract class and abstract method in here. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.